In Scribe, detailed area calculations are done automatically. They're based on the room or area name which is defined in your profile, so ensure you've named every area or room. Once this is done, select Calculate mode and you will see the areas displayed. The left-hand side shows all the area types available, and the area is highlighted on the right-hand side. You can select each level of the area tree and the appropriate area will highlight on the right. You can also select the area type, which will highlight all the areas that belong to that type, or alternatively, the layer name, which will highlight all the area types within that layer. You can carry out changes by selecting an area type, unclicking an area, then selecting a new area type and selecting the area you want to add it to. You should make sure that you're happy with all the areas that are included and tick the box at the bottom to verify you have checked that they appear correct. In some cases, the tick box at the bottom will control integration and data may not be transferred back to your CRM if it is not ticked.